Oh God, she took the bag. She took the bag. She's eating the catnip.
It's all over her face.
She can't help it. She smells it and then sneezes and then she's just like. And it's organic. No, I'm just kidding. What's wrong?
What's wrong, Kathy? Enough. It's just BJ. She was getting some food. Leave her alone.
Poor BJ.
BJ, go hide, babies. Otherwise, the dogs will go bananas. Hush.
Why does it go so crazy over them?
It's okay, Mamas. I know. He's not very nice. I know. All you want to do is just be out in the open and not be barked at. I know. But all he does is barf, barf, barf at the poor kitty.